Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kymco 700 scooter, fuel injected, automatic transmission, ABS brakes, liquid cooled. This thing has 59 horsepower on a twin cylinder 699cc engine. Really has great power for touring, two-up, commuting in the Bay Area. She's equipped with brand new Pirelli Diablo Rosso tires. Come by, make your big bore scooter dreams come true. This beautiful white Kymco for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Electric start, automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.